Garlic. Everything smells better with garlic. Some soups just fill your belly, yet others nourish your whole body. This soup does both. What makes a soup healing? It is the right ingredients and the right way to prepare it. You see, when you overcook something for too long or at a very high temperature, you lose its healing powers. Today, let me show you how I make a perfect healing creamy mushroom soup, gut-loving, right food, right preparation, and right cooking temperature. My name is Oksana. A little bit of my favorite blend spice. Let me show you the ingredients. This delicious soup literally takes 20 minutes to make. So the base of it, mushrooms. I use shiitake mushrooms for its immune supportive benefits. This one is a little medley of more shiitake with bella and oyster mushrooms. That's for extra flavor. Extra virgin olive oil, of course, garlic, onion. My favorite spice blend. I have a video how to make it. It's a mix of like 16 different herbs. Coconut cream. Once you get to know me a little more, my channel, you'll see that I use it quite a lot. Very healing, and it gives the food this delicious taste that you can't really get with anything else. And arrowroot starch, I'll tell you why a little later. Oops, I almost forgot the little guy right here, lemon. Every time you use coconut cream or coconut milk base, think of lemon, especially when it comes to savory meal. First thing first, I'm gonna start my pot. Very low heat with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And while it's warming up, we're gonna cut up the onions. That's the only thing we need to cut up. I bought my mushrooms pre-sliced. You can buy them whole and slice them. So we're gonna leave them just like that. You know, don't judge my cutting skills because I'm not a professional cooker. I'm an amateur, just probably like most of you. I'm doing my best. I should have worn gloves. My hands are gonna smell like onions now. It's okay. Let it saute for 5 minutes and then we're gonna add mushrooms right away. Arrowroot starch is much gentler on digestion as opposed to traditional flour, and it is gluten-free. So when you're in a healing stage, it is very important to stay away from gluten, at least for time being. Now, as you see, I'm holding mushrooms. Time to add mushrooms. So you want a lot. This is 10 ounces plus additional 5, so 15 ounces because they'll shrink once they cook. Okay, give it a quick mix to just get the onions from underneath to the top. And then we're gonna cover the lid and let it cook with occasional stirring for about 15 minutes. Let's take a look. Oh, look how much juice it released. Ooh, I literally have 2 minutes and we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. Oh, look at that. You see, it was a full pot. Now we barely have like on the bottom. Let's talk about what I use for the base of this soup. This is my homemade healing veggie broth. I have the video how I make it, and I'll put a reference on the screen somewhere. This adds nourishing value to the soup. It makes it even more delicious and more healing. All right, so it's time to add broth and everything else. We don't have much left, but the soup will be ready in no time. I think we're gonna need a little more. Oh, you know what? I almost forgot. No, this is perfect. This is 1 liter, but I do have coconut cream, remember? Okay, it's not creamy just yet. Let's add some salt to taste. I think this is gonna be probably enough. If needed, we'll adjust. Stir. And of course, my favorite spice blend. I don't eat anything without it. I add it to everything. Everything except my coffee. Now, you can increase the heat so it comes to boil faster. And once we boil it, right, we're gonna add garlic and lemon juice, and that's going to be the final touch. Just to be clear, we brought it to boil. We're going to add the thickening arrowroot starch. Okay, mix it. Just so you know, you have to give it a little bit of time to see if it's thick enough for you. It does not work like right in the second. Sorry, I have to do it this way. Make sure you scrape everything from the bottom and watch the soup thicken. Okay, so it's been like 3 minutes. You see how much thicker it is already? And once it's completely cooled off, or cooled off to the point we can eat it, it's going to be even thicker. So I wouldn't add more. So the proportion of 1 liter of broth, 2 teaspoons of arrowroot starch, 2 heaping teaspoons. 2 final touches, lemon juice and garlic. So lemon juice to taste. So I started with half a small lemon, but I'm going to give it a taste. And press garlic. Garlic. Everything smells better with garlic. Give it a taste to see if anything else is missing. The smell is amazing. Very light dinner or lunch or, I don't know, even a snack. Perfect. I wouldn't add anything else. And that's how I make my creamy, healing mushroom soup. Look at this. The smell is amazing. Let's give it a try. By the way, if you are someone who is working on healing their gut, I would start with my free gut wellness checklist. I have the link below this video. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Amazing. And if you want more healing soup recipes like this one, check out my Gut Rebalance cookbook, link below this video. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications so you know what's coming next.